not too long ago, we were stuck in traffic and the off ramp about 100 meters up the road, right? And I said, hey, just hit the shoulder. Just hit the shoulder. We got 100 meters on the shoulder. We've been sitting in this traffic for 30 minutes. And we were in her car. When we're in her car, she drives. When I'm in my car, I know some men think that's, you let your wife drive? Yeah, I do.
Is she a good driver?
Yeah, she's a really good driver.
She can parallel park and back up and all that shit, drive in reverse. All right, give her a pass.
And so as soon as she pulled on the shoulder, this guy pulled over in front of her and didn't let us advance to.
Holy shit! Why are there people like that?
Shoulder police, right? We're not gonna let this person get by. And I was instantly seeing fucking red because I'm like, this motherfucker. What if my kid was in the back and was choking? You know what I mean?
Yes.
You don't fucking know what's going on in the car behind you, and you're going to become confrontational.
What if Craig Anderson's in that car and he's had a bad day?
And I was like, pull up next to him. And I was like, all right, this is what needs to happen in society. When you fuck with a man that you don't know, and I'm not saying I'm the toughest fucking guy, but don't be confrontational with people that you don't know for no reason. It doesn't make any sense.
Right.
And I said, pull up next to him, stop the car. And she's pulling up next to him. And I'm like 100% planning on jumping out. And I was like, just going to slap him. That's it.
Yeah.
And if his window's up, break it. And then I was going to slap him. And she fucking gets up next to him and then she guns it and speeds off. And I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? I said, stop the car. She goes, are you serious right now? You think I'm going to stop the car and let you get out and slap some guy?
That's a good fucking wife, man. That is a good wife.
Ladies in the back, and you want to start some incident on the side of the road. And it's like, man, I'm 41 now. And I still get that way. You know what I mean? That's just how I'm wired.